Want to personalize your Facebook Messenger experience? Changing your notification sound is one of the simplest ways to make your messaging uniquely yours. Customizing your notification sound offers several key benefits. It helps create a personal identity for your messages, ensures you never miss important communications, and helps you distinguish Messenger notifications from other apps on your device. As of August 2025, both iPhone and Android devices offer straightforward methods to customize these notification sounds. The process works on iOS 13.0 and later, as well as Android 8.0 and above. Both platforms provide intuitive settings interfaces that make the customization process simple and accessible. You can access these settings either through the Messenger app itself or through your device's system settings. The process is straightforward and user-friendly on both platforms. In the next section, we'll walk through the detailed step-by-step instructions for both iPhone and Android devices, so you can start personalizing your Messenger experience right away. Now let's walk through the exact steps to change your Messenger notification sound on both iPhone and Android devices. We'll cover multiple methods for each platform. First, let's start with iPhone. The easiest method is directly through the Messenger app. Open Messenger and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Once in your profile, look for Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. Then select Notification Sound to see all available options. You can choose from the available notification sounds or select None if you prefer silent notifications. Your selection will be saved automatically. The second iPhone method uses your device's main settings app. Go to Settings, then Notifications, find Messenger in the list, and tap on it. This method gives you access to all your iPhone's notification sounds, including any custom tones you may have added to your device. Now let's move to Android devices. Similar to iPhone, you can change the notification sound directly in the Messenger app. Open Messenger and go to your profile. In your profile, tap on Notifications and Sounds, then tap On next to Notifications if it's not already enabled. Finally, select Notification Sound to choose from the available options. This will show you a list of available notification sounds that you can choose from for your Messenger notifications. The second Android method uses your device's Settings app. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Messenger, tap on Notifications, select a notification category, and change the sound. This method gives you more granular control over different types of Messenger notifications, allowing you to set different sounds for messages, calls, and other notification types. Android users have an additional option to use completely custom notification sounds. You can add your own audio files in MP3, M4A, or OG format. To add custom sounds, place your audio file in the Notifications folder on your device's storage, restart your device, and then you'll be able to select it from the sound picker in your notification settings. Remember this important tip: your device's system notification settings will always override the app's internal settings. If you're not hearing notification sounds, check both your app settings and your device's main notification settings.